Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best inverter welding machines available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Mini Welding Machine by SASI. This is the budget option on our list, priced at an incredibly low $40.99. But don't let that fool you. This compact welder packs a punch. Featuring upgraded IGBT inverter technology, it delivers smoother welding with deep penetration, making it a great choice for beginners and hobbyists. The intelligent LED screen automatically matches the current for ease of use, while professionals have the option to manually adjust the settings. Design-wise, the SASI welder is extremely portable, weighing just 3.3 pounds and sporting a compact build that fits easily into your workspace or tool bag. It comes with a convenient handle, making it perfect for outdoor maintenance, garages, farms, or home DIY projects. Safety is a priority here, with efficient cooling and dust prevention extending its lifespan. The package includes essential accessories like electrode clips, work clips, and even welding rods to get you started right away. However, the SASI welder is limited in its power output and is best suited for light-duty projects. If you're looking for a highly affordable, easy-to-use machine for occasional repairs or beginner-level tasks, this is a fantastic choice. Pros: budget-friendly, lightweight, easy to operate. Cons: limited to smaller welding tasks. Coming in at number 4 is the HPUO 200 amp stick welder, priced at $59.99. This welder is a step up from the SASI model, offering an adjustable current range of 20 to 200 A, which makes it suitable for welding thicker metal materials such as cast iron and mild steel. It utilizes the advanced IGBT inverter technology for smoother arc force and deeper penetration, ensuring stronger welds even for beginners. The hot start, arc force, and anti-stick features take the frustration out of electrode sticking, making your welding sessions more efficient. What sets this welder apart is its portability. Weighing just 3.7 pounds and measuring 7.8 by 3.9 by 5.3 inches, it's incredibly compact and easy to carry. The package includes 20 welding rods, professional gloves, and even 2 chip hammers, giving you everything you need for small repairs or DIY projects right out of the box. The built-in safety features, such as overvoltage and overcurrent protection, ensure reliable operation. While it's great for home usage, it may struggle with heavy-duty tasks due to its compact design. If you're a hobbyist or someone looking for an affordable yet powerful welder for light to medium-duty projects, this is a strong contender. Pros: affordable, lightweight, excellent accessories. Cons: limited for industrial-grade tasks. At number 3, we have the TechWeld 200A IGBT inverter welding machine, priced at $59.99. What makes this welder stand out is its dual voltage support for 110 volts and 220 volts, allowing for greater versatility across different power environments. It features synergic control, which ensures precise digital management of the welding process, delivering consistent arc stability for both light and heavy-duty projects. The adjustable current range of 20 to 200 A makes it ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. This welder is designed for portability, featuring an adjustable shoulder strap for easy transport. The intelligent LED display offers real-time monitoring of welding parameters, and its hot start, arc force, and anti-stick features make welding seamless and efficient. Built-in safety systems, including overvoltage and overcurrent protection, ensure reliable operation during extended use. The package includes essential accessories like a ground clamp, electrode holder, folding welding helmet, and a brush. While the TechWeld welder excels in versatility and portability, it might be slightly heavier compared to other compact models at 10.58 pounds. Nonetheless, it offers incredible value for those who need a multifunctional welder for various applications. Pros: dual voltage, advanced features, versatile. Cons: slightly heavier for portable use. In second place is the Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine, priced at $103.99. This welder is ideal for those seeking a balance of portability and performance. It features advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring stable current and minimizing spatter for cleaner welds. With an adjustable welding output of 20 to 120A and a convenient 5-speed knob, this machine is perfect for everything from home DIY projects to professional repairs. The Saker welder shines in its ultra-lightweight design, weighing just 3.3 pounds. Its compact size and handheld operation make it incredibly easy to maneuver, allowing you to weld with precision even in tight spaces. It supports multiple rod sizes, ranging from 3/32 to 1/8 inch, making it versatile for a variety of welding tasks. Additionally, the built-in air intake and heat dissipation system ensure long-lasting performance. While it's an excellent choice for portability and ease of use, the Saker welder may not offer enough power for more demanding industrial applications. It's best suited for DIY enthusiasts or professionals working on smaller-scale projects. Pros: lightweight, portable, adjustable current. Cons: limited power output for heavy-duty tasks. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Best MIG 135A welder, priced at $129.99. This premium 3-in-1 welding machine is the most versatile and powerful welder on our list, offering MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. With a true output of 135A, it can handle materials up to 1/8 inch thick, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced welders. The digital LED display and automatic parameter adjustment makes setup a breeze, while the included accessory kit, welding helmet, gloves, and more ensures you're ready to start welding right out of the box. Design-wise, the Best MIG welder is robust yet compact, weighing 16 pounds and measuring 14.8 by 9.8 by 6.6 inches. The integrated wire feeding system automatically adjusts voltage and feed speed, reducing spatter and delivering cleaner welds. Its compatibility with gasless flux cord MIG wire makes it suitable for stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker metal projects, whether in a home workshop or factory setting. Though it's the most expensive on the list, the Best MIG welder's reliability, versatility, and top-tier performance justify the price. If you're looking for a premium machine that combines ease of use with professional-grade capabilities, this is the one to choose. Pros: versatile 3-in-1 functionality, premium accessories, high performance. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.